Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk about maintenance. The last couple months have been brutal on everyone. Equipment at home, working at home, not sure if you can get in your building, how do you get your mail, kids at home trying to do school. It's just been difficult for everybody. Some things are opening up a little bit, and whether you're ready for those next steps or not, we wanted to talk with you about maintenance on the computers and how we can get back on track with you. So if you're one of our clients that is using our automated services, such as the antivirus service or automated patch services, and you've had the computers on, you're not too far behind, and maybe we can just get on site with you and pick up where we left off on maintenance if you're ready for us to come on site. If you've had machines off, whether or not you're using those automated services, we'd like to ask you to turn the equipment on. You don't need to log in, just turn the equipment on so that we can get those antivirus and patches back up to date. It'll take a few cycles there. If you don't use the automated services, and it's been a while since we've been able to do maintenance on your machine, it is definitely time to get back on track. So we have a couple options. If you're ready, we can come on site and just pick up where we left off, get the machines back on track. Might take a little longer than last time because the patches and the updates are pretty far behind. If you're not ready for us to be on site, totally respect that. Perhaps we could do some of this maintenance remotely. So you be in front of the computer, let us on, we'll update those things. We can't blow out the box and wipe down the screens. You could, or you can wait till we come on site next time to do that. But at least in the meantime, the AV and the patches will be up to date. We can get back on track with that. If you will let us on site, we would also want to tackle your servers, firewalls, maybe take a look at the switches, make sure those are up to date as well. So this is a big change for everyone. It's, again, been stressful and just brutal for some of your offices. Some of you, I remember saying, how do I even get my mail? So totally understand. So either turn the computers on, let some of the automated services catch up, or if you don't have them, let us on site. We'll get caught up on maintenance, or we can do some of that maintenance remotely. Looking forward to talking with you, looking forward to getting back on track with all of this. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.